Topic: Inequalities. Inequalities is the branch of mathematics where we study how equal or not equal numbers or values are. Inequality symbols: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Question 1. Solve and represent each of the following on the number line. A. X squared plus 2s greater than 15. When you factorize by a quadratic method, we have s is greater than 3 and s is greater than minus 5. And the number line is shown in the figure below. 2. S squared minus x minus 12 greater than 0. Factorize it again. We have x greater than minus 3 and x greater than 4. In a range that minus 3 less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 4. Number 3, evaluate x over 2 plus 3 over 4 less than 5s over 6 minus 7 over 12. Solution: we cross multiply the right hand side. We have 4s plus 6 over 8 less than or equal to 60x minus 42 over 72. When we simplify and collect like terms, we have x is greater than 4. Remember, in inequality, whenever the value of x is negative, the sign will change. So the less than or equal to changes to greater than or equal to. So s is equal to, or x is greater than or equal to 4. Evaluate 3 open bracket x plus 2 greater than 6 bracket s plus 3. Solution: we'll collect like terms and clear the brackets. We have x less than minus 4, since the coefficient of x is still negative. Number 5, solve for x in x such that modulus of s minus 2 less than 3. Solution: x minus 2 plus 2 less than 3 plus 2 equals, so x is less than 5. That brings us to the end of the topic, inequality.